Hello my friends and welcome to the final lesson of this class. There will still be a couple of bonus lessons, but in this one we will finally export our explainer video. And now let's just scroll up a little bit and find our beautiful 5 scenes or 5 slides with animation, voiceover, background music and sound effects. Alright. And to export your slides to a video is a really simple process. Just go to File, Export and click on Create a Video. Just keep in mind that PowerPoint will export all of your slides into a video. So in this case we have 54 slides in our class project and we would like to export only these 5 slides. So let me show you how we can tell PowerPoint which slides we would like to export. So first let's make sure we select all of the slides. You can hit Ctrl+A to select everything and then just right click and choose Hide Slides. So all of the slides are hidden. And now let's just select those 5 slides that we would like to export. Let's select them and choose Unhide, or just click on the same button Hide. It will basically unhide these slides. And now when you will export the video, only these 5 slides will be included in your video. And we can even start the presentation from beginning and check if slide 43 is the first slide that we see. And yes, here's our first scene, so everything is working just fine. And now we are ready to export the video. So once again, let's go to File, let's click on Export and choose Create a Video. Alright, so choose quality that you wish. I'm going for 4K. And let's use the timings that we have recorded with the slideshow recorder. Otherwise, PowerPoint would devote 5 seconds for each slide. And let's click on Create Video. And now just choose where you would like your video to be exported. Name your video and click on Save. And once the progress bar is finished, hooray, you have your awesome video. And let's just check if the video has been exported. Let's go to Downloads and yes, here is our freshly exported explainer video. That's super awesome. And now, my friends, you have successfully completed this class. Congratulations! Now you are an expert whiteboard video creator in PowerPoint. And next, if you would like to learn more, there are a couple of bonus lessons waiting for you. So, I'll see you there.